So hello, guten Tag, hey, even come. Hello, everybody. Buongiorno, o che asa? Hey, cool that you're online. It's truly cool that you are here with us tonight. It's also incredibly cool that absolutely everybody is online and present tonight. We understand that today, in some areas, we are dealing with different distinct time zones, which can be challenging. However, I am delighted to see right now that there are approximately 250 attendees. That means 250 wonderful people are currently here and participating. So that's really, really cool and exciting. Very cool. Hello, everybody. Hello, founders, and congratulations for your amazing work. I have to say thank you. And also, I have to tell you, this is just the beginning. You know, when you have situation in your life that you think, oh, wow, I did a good job, and then you want to take a rest, forget it. No, 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 no. Now it's time to start. Now it's time to move forward. Now it is truly time to work much harder to accomplish even more, just like all the other successful individuals on this entire planet, because the other ones, those who do not strive, will inevitably lose. And that precisely is the fundamental difference between a true loser and indeed someone who can genuinely, achieve something significant and meaningful. And it's pushing forward and getting successful. The AI agent, we call it agent. Forget the name Butler do is other six. We have more an agent because this agent is a special agent connected with a lot of other agents. And that's the main thing where we want to present out there when they say By Voidara is here. Oh, this is the super agent, right? Yes, that's a super agent. And today is only just the beginning of the birth. The beginning of, let's say, hello to the planet. We have a lot of mamas and papas here today, and all of us are a part of it. That's very special and very unique. So you guys, you get the access later in your back office. You saw the countdown. And now, after we are presenting a little bit, you have the access and there's a code, and you can get the code connected with your email address. So you can't duplicate this or give it out to someone else. It's just for you guys. So that's where we program it. That's how we program it. That you have the access because you're the first person which can use the system, the whole system. So more and more people coming in. I see right now 280 people here. That's good. What you have to do if you join this meeting, you have to be in with your laptop, with your web over space, with your web view, because if not, you will not see the bug controller and you can't work with us because on the mobile phone, on the mobile vision, you don't have that. So that's why we have encouraged you to join us with the browser, because we need your assistance to help us develop and improve the project to be perfect. So it's a normal procedure. If you look to big companies, you use also a lot of groups. They use a lot of people when it comes to like, okay, let's test it. It's a different situation when you have like a new software or something and you got maybe 10 people on it or 20 or 200 or 300. So in the background, what we do is we read all those things which happened when we use the app. When we use the void data app, meaning like the server, the stability, then also the different movements, what people are doing. So there are many, many things what we are controlling. And one part is very helpful for us. It's the big controller. So you will find it later on the right side, and you open up the application when you gain access. And within that application, you can comprehensively report all those various things which you observe. And furthermore, what we meticulously do with this is that we will seamlessly connect this particular data set also, once again, the entire collected data with the advanced artificial intelligence system and thoroughly analyze it. Consequently, this implies that from this comprehensive process, we are able to effectively optimize the entire system to a much greater extent. What we do now in the beginning is we make some tests. We have some functions ready. We will show it also to you what is possible. And then we work on the knowledge. Because, when you have a baby, a new baby on the planet, the baby has some instincts. Yeah, but the baby knows nothing. And what we do is step by step, we grow up our baby and make it more intelligent and better and faster. But to let you know, guys, this baby is very, very fast. You will see that faster than any other AI system. What I saw, the erection time, how fast you get an answer. And then we have to work on the quality of answers. So there are many, many different things that we truly need to adjust to that particular situation. Because let's say, for instance, you want to make a comprehensive research of, from the customer of like Nike Air Sport shoes. And this customer is actively searching for that or diligently looking for that specific item. But the real estate agent didn't thoroughly research, perhaps a post on Facebook from him or from her, or even on Instagram. They simply said, oh no, these Nike sports shoes are not good at all. So that means you have to dig deeper and deeper if you want to have the best knowledge of everything to perform, that the agent knows exactly what the customer wants. This is just an example. And there are many, many different ways to do that. And the crucial thing is to acquire the absolute best systems, employing the most effective and refined techniques to truly make that happen and come to fruition. Okay? Also, when you have a robust communication system that you can effectively utilize, for instance, if I have an important communication, I can securely store this information for my personal reference, and I will always have convenient access to the complete historical record of all past communications. So that means the customer here always has the complete access to the relevant data, because sometimes perhaps there might be something very, very personal and confidential within a team. And you absolutely do not want that this sensitive information permanently stays in the net, so you can completely delete it at a later point in time. It's also a very important and crucial thing, but just to give you some comprehensive ideas, and we genuinely want to help you also to show you now and work with us together on these applications. Also, that's why I will introduce you my right hand right now. This is Dominic. And Dominic, he is taking over right now, and he will share his screen, and he will show you first time in history our AI system, and he will explain what we can do, how we have to use it, and also how we have to communicate. But step by step, relax, take a piece of paper, take a pen, always. Guys, that's the most important thing. Make some notes, listen, check it, and later on, of course, you have your own access to your own AI, as we promised today, and this will happen, and this is all organized and prepared. Now we have 317 people here. Great, great. Okay, so Dominique, please go over and share his screen. I'm with you here also.
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Dominic. Thank you, Dennis, very much. On the Intusing You. Yeah, so I will take you through the beta and show you the features that we have, also how you can activate this. Yeah, so I will share my screen now and show you everything, how it's work, and we will do also some examples. So give me thumbs up if you can see my screen. Perfect. So after we successfully activate your account for the beta agent program, you will then receive your unique access code right here. This specific code is your essential activation key. You must carefully copy this code. Following that, you will need to open the designated other app on your device. Once inside that application, proceed to the sign up section. There, you will accurately paste your activation code into the designated field. Additionally, you will be prompted to enter your email address and then choose a secure password specifically for your agent profile within the application. This comprehensive process ensures a smooth and secure onboarding experience for your beta agent. So I had some spaces here. So after this, you can log in with your email address and the password you created. Yes, and then we are on the beta with data app. The first thing you have to do is accept our private policy. This is just like stuff where we tell you we don't use your data to train our modules and stuff. Just accept it. And then, yeah, you see the V app. The first thing you have to take care of is this feedback and bug report. So we want you to report us every bug that you can find. Maybe if something didn't work, you get some errors or something, please describe it here so we can fix the bug X and give you the best experience we can.
Yeah, one sec. This is very important for us. I know, Dominic, you're always fast, but guys, this is one of the most important things. Why we do this beta version right now? Because we need the feedback. We know that it's working, but you guys, you have to go on it. If I see here 336 people, we need 336 reports. It doesn't matter what. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter what you feel, what you think, what you saw. Give us the feedback. As more we have is better. We can create the system, what we are doing. So it's a project of all us together. Please do this later and give us this feedback, because we will investigate it and we will put it also in the AI to make this business, what we are doing, much more better. It's a creation of all of us. Okay, maybe you go down a little bit. What is necessary to get to do there instead of like too fast bug report? So, just give us the information. For example, the agent crashed. So it's possible, can be possible because your internet connection is not good or whatever. So, but we will investigate it, or slow loading times. So, in some areas it every fast. In some areas, when the internet connection is not good, it takes time. But we want to see the statistic. We want to see exactly, okay, what has happened. Maybe it's hanging, freezing. Why is hanging and freezing? We will investigate it, because it goes to millions of people in the future. And we have to check it. So very, very carefully, think twice, check it, and give us this information. Login problems also, it's possible, maybe mostly humans make something wrong, but sometimes there's maybe a bug or technique stuff, whatever. So we have to investigate this, right? Also display errors, whatever. And you can describe also if you have a problem here. So what device do you use? This makes us, for us, much more better to investigate. Oh, this guy or this person use a mobile version and has a problem. But we never had problem with the desktop, for example. A desktop version, for example. Okay, if they have a problem, maybe have Android, Apple, or Windows, or Dinox. So we know that, we can see that exactly, guys. This is very, very important for us. That's why we do that. Okay, what browser did you use when experiencing the issue? Was on Chrome, AFI, Firefox, something else? Other ones. This is a very important feedback for us to see how the app is working. Okay. Do you have any additional comments? You can put also your notes there. And then the next page is, what was that? You said, yeah, feedback. Exactly. So, this is something, I think, this most important part to do that before we can say, okay, now we put this connection on it. Now we put this connection on it. Now we put another agent on it. Now we put this database on it. Now we make this feature on. This is the first thing what we have to do. That's why we do this today here. Okay. We have 3 weeks, and in the 3 weeks, I want you guys awake, concentrate on this product, on this idea. Because if we do this, I believe in the collect teeth syncing on one sync. It's a universe reaction. So law of attraction, that if you are focused on something, things are happened. So this is the power of people, what we have when we go all together on one sync. So there we are, army, right? We are army right now on 345 people in army. So, and who can stop us? Nobody, Good. That's a very important part. And then we can come up with much more add-ons, what we have ready. But we don't bring it in like now, boom. You do it like next week. So you see, void data is growing, is getting better. Okay, before she go out to the end consumer 1st of September. Okay, that's why we have to be very, very aware on this. And I want to have, a very great success when it comes to you, the first customers, first orders, and all those things. But let's continue. Sorry, Dominica, this was very important for me to make clear what we want. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. So yeah, I will show you some functions. I will test some chats with the data now. So we will start like very easy with tell them, hey, with data. So then we get the answer really quick. We can also read this message loud if you press here with an ice.
Hear from you. How can I assist you today?
So I will take a look at the weather right now. I am currently in Mallorca, a beautiful island right now. Could you please provide me with a detailed weather report for this specific location? So if you see it's really quick. Yeah. So, okay, can you please recommend me some really good videos here, perhaps some of your absolute favorites? Yes, for example, we have quite a few engaging and diverse activities available for everyone to participate in and enjoy. Okay, could you also kindly display some of these wonderful activities here for us to see and learn more about?
So we can do this in any language, right?
Yes, exactly. I can see. Can you please explain this concept in German, for example, perhaps providing a detailed explanation?
Joe, you see, guys, you see how fast it is, like bum. So you end the last word typing in and bum. The answer is there. It's very, very fast.
Yes, exactly. So this is like the just simple things that we have now. We go on to the, for example, I am looking to purchase some brand new shoes, specifically in a pristine white color, much like the popular and iconic Air Jordan sneakers. Could you please provide me with a comprehensive selection of available offers and options that might be suitable for my preferences?
The reason why we write it right now, it's like because this is a beta version to speak with void data. I think will be happened in 2 weeks. So then you can communicate and you speak with her. But we have to make this test before. And then, of course, when she's answering, she bring you to something, what she think, what is good for you. Now we have some examples in. Now the affiliate partners are not connected, but they will come. So, and then you see just, okay, that's what I found. That's what you got. You make your order, but you can show it right now. Okay?
Yes, exactly. For example, told he found some offers for white issue sows. Now I can press on the link. I will be redirected to the Nike. And I see here some offers from Nike, like Air, All-It offers, for example. Yes. So for now, I will show you like another nice feature. I have here an image from the food that I cooked today.
Okay, there's an error.
Second.
Test nice version. And before it was working perfectly, but now he did what he did. He meticulously made a beautiful photo from his delicious food and then carefully put it into the digital system. And now we ask, what is this? Okay.
Please take a picture now. This is a good moment.
Looks healthy.
Yes. So now we can effectively get a comprehensive answer to what we visually perceive on this particular picture, meticulously examining every single intricate part of it. And now, for instance, I would like to ask you to tell me, so perhaps Dennis, if you could kindly explain in detail what exactly I am currently doing or attempting to achieve. It's better maybe because So
Now what you want to know is like, he wants to know, okay, what kind of calories I have. So, and this system is checking in details what they saw, a half avocado. So it's very, very clear. So broccoli, a small portion. And now it's calculating how much calories you have each from each vegetables here. And then later on, how much you have in total. So, and you can create also, let's say with the picture recipes, I want to create something like similar salad, healthy food, whatever. So the system will do that. It's just like a feature to read pictures. You can read any pictures and the system will understand what is on the picture and I can explain it and I can find it also. Maybe, for example, later on, if you go shopping and you make a photo from a Gucci bag somewhere and the system knows exactly, this is the Gucci bag. This is the name of the Gucci bag. This is the price. Normally from the Gucci bag, I can find the Gucci bag. Now for this price here, click here, and then you went and end up maybe on Farch or whatever, like a business partner, like a partner program from us. And you can get the bag there and buy it there much more cheaper. So this is also something like using photos, but you can do this in many, many different ways. What we did before also with real estates, for example, Domini.
yes, for example, real estates or web situation. I took a screenshot from our back office from the countdown timer that we saw before.
Yeah.
Got some issues here. The upload, I don't know why.
Okay, we have also all Technic guys here today. Guys, you make a note. Check that. And I genuinely do not wish to see this situation again because we had thoroughly tested this extensively before and tested. And at that particular time, everything was indeed good. And now we have, it's always the same thing. The photo effect in German.
Yes. So yeah, this is a screenshot from our back office. I did before, and I want Without to explain me exactly what he sees on this picture. And now I am telling her. So she's
Investigating everything what you saw. You can do it with any pictures, like you see like a PowerPoint presentation, or you see like something and you want to create like a website or like a sales funnel or like a pitch deck, whatever. And the system can do this for you. And he will explain how this works.
yes, and for now I want.
Sorry. Ask for the key look to the question. Create a similar hard HTML code from this picture, please, with Talent C as in modern design. Okay. Can you explain that, why you use that? Because many people don't know what you say. What?
Yes, this is just like I want Without to create me like HTML code. This is for the website. You can also create me a code for a website. You don't have to put these words inside. And yeah, with modern design, and Tyon says is just like a library. But you can just make like it's simple and tell Bo Data, please create me like a website from this image.
Okay, you can do it also with other words. But let's say, and this is something like a prompt. You give an order. And this is something what we would do for you guys, that you learn how I can communicate in a better way with my agent, with the AI. Because if you do it in the right way, you get much more better results. So, and we make it happen that, you know, that we train you with this.
Yes. So we have now the output of the website. No.
Let them know what they see. Now they have now a code, right?
Yes, you got now the code from the OA I created, now HTML code. So like a small website from this screenshot I did before. And now when I copy this and open it in like HTML file, like a website code file, I can see this is the copy just from the image. Okay, yes. And this is like full functionality. It's HTML code with CSS and everything. So it's really nice. I saw some people were asking about, yeah, I need my agent very quick for my HTML or my CSS code. So like for programming their website. And this is something that will help you in really good way.
Okay, can we see it how it looks like, for example, then? Yeah.
This is just the code.
Okay, so that means he has built it exactly the way you wanted it to be built, which is great.
Exactly from the screenshot that we see here. Not the same colors and stuff, but he did like really quick copy from this screenshot into HR code. And from this code, it's generating the whole website.
That's a code. So the system can read the code and can copy that, but you can do it with anything. You see something and you like it, you can copy that, but you can change it also. For example, give me as a color, give me as a design.
Exactly.
Can we try this also?
Yes.
Good. There's a lot of data, normally what it's creating right now, and you see how fast it goes. So this is like designing, web designing. You know, you don't need any more like web designers on the planet. It's all possible with the AI. They have no job anymore. They can go home. You see what I mean? So, and you can do it with anything, any picture. You can do it with real estates. You can do it with your own products. For example, you see something, you like it, you take the photo, you get your HTML code, and then you start to design. Everybody can do this. The whole companies, what they do normally with this, they charge a lot of money and say like, hey, we build you something. I make a website. Website designers go home, guys, we don't need you anymore. And also like all the promotion companies, they charge a lot of money. I paid so much money in my life for things like that. Or create me a video, create me this. So I paid so much money they can go home. We don't need them anymore. We do it, you learn that, and you can do it on your own. You can modify your business, you can create everything. So cool, so easy.
Maybe let's check learning languages. We can do this also. For example, I want to learn Spanish. Yeah, she will definitely ask me about some important questions. So please give me some time.
Please give me some example for conversations. He said so, and then she said, okay, here are some normal, easy examples.
Yes, we can also read IT. We can let it data, read it for us, so we know exactly how we have to speak it out and everything. So we have also some prompts that we can give you, like as ideas what you can use. For example, yeah, let me check this one. For example, show me the current gas prices in London and the links to the cheapest stations.
Great choice to start as a beginner. Here are some simple Spanish conversation examples. Great choice to start as a beginner. Here are some simple Spanish conversation examples to get you going with basic greetings and introductions. Conversation 1. Meeting someone new. In English, a common greeting is, "Hi, how are you?" This is a very polite way to start a conversation. "I'm good, thanks." And, "I'm fine too." "What's your name?" "My name is Anna, and yours?" "I'm Carlos. Nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too." Spanish.
Yes, that is absolutely correct, and I can confirm with full certainty that this statement is indeed accurate and holds true in every aspect. So this was just example. Yeah, so here's the next question that we told her. Show me the current gas prices in London and links to the cheapest stations. So we have comprehensive information regarding the current gas prices, specifically within the London area. And additionally, we have detailed data concerning the petrol prices, all sourced directly from live research. Furthermore, we are looking to find healthy and nutritious recipes that can be prepared efficiently within a 50-minute time frame, specifically catering to busy professionals who have limited time for meal preparation. These recipes should also include direct links to their full instructions for easy access and convenience. So we have YouTube videos for 50-minute healthy meals, jar of lemons, and some other recipes that we can watch directly when I click here. I go directly to this video. Advertising. So, okay, what we have, yeah. Dennis, do we have an idea what we can ask, what we can show more the people, or maybe you have some more better idea? Or we can show them you have also the possibility to store the whole conversation as a bookmark, for example, food. I can save it, and I have here now my categories for all my conversation.
This is later interesting if you have a company and you want to organize your company with the AI. Maybe you can explain that what they can do later, not now, but this is something what is very important.
Yes, for now, this is just like to organize your chats, so you can store the chats in different bookmarks, so you have easy access to this. For example, I want to just see the conversation from test, or I want to just see the conversation from food, or maybe from your company name or something. So we have a quicker access to this, and in the next updates, we will have the possibility to upload also your files from your company. So like creating your own knowledge base here. So when you start new chat, you have your knowledge base of your company, and you can ask them every question, and he will always use that knowledge base to give you the answers, to create new emails, create maybe some landing page for you. And stuff like this. Another nice feature that we have here is this icon here. This is the temporary chat. When you press this icon, you see the chat is going in different color. This means this conversation will be not stored in your history. So this is maybe if you want to upload some personal data that you want to have in your account here in your app. You can make this private chat. And after you end, this chat is gone forever.
That's very good because sometimes, of course, we have questions and it's private. So in team, whatever, and we don't want that someone else knows that. So this is not storage. And if it's storage later on, right, Dominic, you can also delete it.
Yes, exactly. We have here the settings, you have here the data control, and you can delete everything what is on your account here. So cache, you can delete all chats with just one button, and you can also delete every single chat from here and it's gone forever. So it will be not stored there, not even in your own account.
This would be a big thing because you saw what was happened with ChatGPT. They had a big data leak, for example, and many private information, team information went somewhere. So this is not possible here because we are in our own ecosystem. This data doesn't go out, and you guys or other customers have the access to the data and they can delete it or whatever they want to do.
Exactly. So we have also like a couple of settings here. You can like change the language. For example, I want to be German. You see everything change in the same second when you change this. You can make it light, dark, what you prefer. For the chat, you can select some options. For example, you want the text to be bigger. So what I do is I go there into the settings and then I select extra large. Oh, yes. Account, you can upload your profile picture, enable 2FA. Yeah, just for some personal data, what you prefer. This is just like for you. Yes. So I think this is good. Yeah, I will show you also one image, the best way to communicate with the AI, because yeah, it's not always easy. Yeah, there are like 5 parts you have to do. Tell the AI what his role. So for example, you are a helpful assistant. Write me a short story about friendly robot. Then the context, the robot is in futuristic city, and the format, organize the story into paragraphs and then make it engaging and fun. So when you always try to explain your needs, you will get better answers. Because when you write just, I need help, he don't know what do you need. So always try to explain, yeah, really good. What do you want from Voidata?
Yeah, that's sorry to interrupt you for a second, because this is also one of the most important parts for all of us, that we learn how to communicate with the AI. So, and what the company will do, we will hire, we are on it right now, like AI trainers. There are many good people in the market, and we will do webinars with these guys. So that means we want you that you don't say, okay, I'm in a new MLM company. No, we want more that you can say, I have a new life, I have a new business, I have a new job, whatever, because I'm an AI specialist. So, and this gives you a lot of access to many other things in your life, to make the life more easier, to get better results, or you're running your own company and you can optimize your own company, or you can explain Voidata much more better, because it's very important for us that we have a very good trained distribution organization, that people knows what they're talking about. So, and it's a big difference how to speak with the AI, you know. When you do this in the wrong way, you get not the right results. So, and we will make an academy. There's this one academy. What we're creating is a prompt academy. And in the prompt academy, you get like ideas. So because you sit there and think, oh, what can I do? What can I do? What? So you need something to activate your, you know, your subconscious, your brain, that you're saying, wow, that's interesting. I can do that. Okay, I didn't know that. So I see every day something when people tell me, the specialists here, what is possible? I say, well, really, this is also possible. So that's one thing what we want to do, that you get you know, ideas how to use this system much more better for you, and also to get a knowledge. You know, that's why we buy trainers, and they will train us. They will explain us on webinars in different languages, how I have to use the AI, or how I can create now a website, or how I build a unique powerful sales funnel for my business. So this is how you communicate, how you create your prompt. Yeah. That's for me, I think one of the most important things. It's the same situation if you have a brand new Ferrari and you have no idea how to drive this Ferrari. So you have to understand how to push a button, how you have to, make power or break or whatever. So that's something like what we have to learn. And it's very good, I think, because you can impress people with this, If you show that on the app later on with Voidata, hey, I show you, I make in 2 minutes a website, blah, blah, blah. Voidata make me this, bam, 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 boom. Ready? Well, everybody want to join you. Everybody wants to come in the business if you are professional and if you can show something what the people don't know. So that's I think for recruiting people, to catch people, to motivate people, is insane. Look, guys, it's insane. So that's what we want to do, and I think it's a very important part to train all of us. Me also, I learn every day much more. Sorry, Dominic, that was for me very important.
Yes, it's all good. So I think it's good that the people will start then and make their own experience, because they have like maybe some other stuff that they want to ask the AI. So I would say I'll give the words back to you, Dennis, and in the meantime, you will give me the go, and I will start the release of the keys for the users so everyone can log in and test everything by himself.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct and true.
Yes.
That's cool. Thank you so much, Dominic, for that. I think we can start with the release in the next 5 or 10 minutes, and then everybody has the access and get their own access to the Voidata app. And I want to let you know what's coming up next. So there will be things on the way. It's already programmed, but we have to connect it, and we have to make some tests. We have to run some tests that you can organize, like bookings with a calendar. So that you can organize your life much more better, that you know exactly when is what necessary. So that means we will connect this with a Google Calendar, and you can get your informations there, and also you get a reminder or so that you don't forget something. So this is one thing. And the one of these most important agents is, of course, the affiliate agent. This will come before end of this month, but before, we want to connect also the system with other agents. Let's say like a social media agent. It's like a database, but we call it like an agent because if you don't have this connection to this social media agent, you don't know exactly what is going on. And this agent is specialized just on social media, and this is just a connection. So we add on this agent to do that. Or like a nutrition agent or a doctor agent or whatever, or like a trainer, like a sport trainer, whatever, forever. It's something like it's always like a connection what we add on. So, and that's why we say, okay, each week, each 2 weeks, the agent is getting more intelligent and knows much more. Also, the research is going more deeper, like to investigate not only the surface, investigating much more deeper, or start to communicate with other agent to find the right answer for my master, for the customer. So these things, these are things which are coming very, very soon. And I think in the next 7 days, we have the next update. So for now, I will say, guys, go on the app, play around, do things. Don't forget our back controller. That's very important for us. Write reports. So, and we will work day and night to make the things happen and to optimize our system. And then I think we will have a lot of cool stories, because I'm pretty sure when 300 people now go on this app solution on Voidata, that you create also ideas, and we can add all these ideas, and we can, optimize it, or we can learn from you guys because you found this idea, or we can do this and that. So to help other people, to help other businesses, and to make our life much more easier and to make money. The most important part, of course, for me is that we can connect to the affiliate agents. So we have already right now 360 companies. So that means we are working with 360 companies behind millions of products. And this is just the very beginning. What we are doing right now is like we are going much more direct to various companies. And if we continue to grow faster and faster and faster, then we will certainly get much more beneficial commissions and more favorable contracts. Right now, it's like, okay, who is Voidata? We are nothing. So right now, but let's come back in 2 months, in 3 months, in 4 months, maybe end of the year. My goal is until end of the year to have 1 million customers. So we need 10,000 people with a package of 500 meets, 100 agents, 10,000 times. 100 agents is 1 million. And that means we have 1 million agents in the market. Then this moment, we have a different story. Big companies will come to us and will ask, okay, can we join your community? Can we be a part of your business? We are a bank, we are Mercedes, we are whatever. So we are within real estate, or we insurance company, or we selling gold or whatever, or it doesn't matter. So, and then we can say, okay, good, of course you can. But we want these conditions, we want these commissions for our people, because I am, believe me, what I see is always the same thing. When we can make it happen, then we can satisfy our customer, that the customer is in love with Voidata. They like each other because she will help, she will do everything, and she's for free. So that means there is a relation. They will not give Voidata away, and we take care of the online purchasing completely. This is the goal. Then we have only one number, which is very important for us, for all of us. How much money my agent makes in a month, for me, for you, and for your organization. Because don't forget, you get paid directly on your army. If you have 100 agents out there and they make each like 4 euros, 5 euros, 6 euros a month, you make a fortune, passive income forever, and it costs you almost nothing, like 99. But this is very easy to refund this money. So that's the main thing. And we will make it happen, but it's not possible to do tomorrow. It's impossible because we need better deals. Like Donald Trump, you need better deals. It takes a while. So we will make it happen, because after 1 million customers, we can be very arrogant and people coming to us. So, and we have also now a new section in our company, just focus on making deals with companies, telling them the future, what we want to do. So we are new. We are not like all the others, affiliate companies which are promoting websites. No, we have an agent. The agent sleeps day by day together with the customer in the same bed next to it on the phone. There's our agent. So, and we've got datas, we have informations from the customer like never before. No company on the planet was so close to a customer as we are, and as we will be with our system. So I'm pretty sure it's a matter of time, it's a matter of money, and of course of good tech people and programmers. So the vision is there, the idea is there, and now after like just 3 months on the market, sorry, 3 weeks on the market, we have these amazing results. We have 15,000 registrations. We have 925 founders. So they have the access right now to the Voidata app, and all of us are focused on one thing, on one business. So there's no way out. There's no other chance that we have to get great. It's just impossible or not. We can't fail. So there's enough money. There's enough, intelligent people on the board. We have a cool team, and so we go forward. We have to tell the story. And right now we have to work 2 times harder as the last 3 weeks. Start to bring people in the business, tell them the story. Now we have to show something. Now we will give you a lot of tips and ideas how you can use Voidata. Many people was waiting for that because they said, no, yeah, maybe they make only blah, 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 like many other companies. No, we perform, and we are on time, and we make all those things happen. So, and now you can use it, and you can go back to all the other people and say, hey, look, the app is here, sign now. Okay, bring them in. Push volume, push your organization, build up your teams right now, train them, work with them. The company will help also a lot. We'll get good people, good trainers on board. They will train you. They will show you how to use the AI technology, and we will modify it every day, every minute, our AI system. And every week we will come up with an update, and you will see, wow, now they do this. Boom, now they do that. So we are on the whole time with something on the way, which is like giving us always like a kick, It's not like, oh, now we have a nutrition super. We have some like positive testimonials. Yeah, super. How boring is this? No, we create something, a game changer. We create something together and we can say, wow, now we have this, boom, now we have this, now this is coming in. So this is crazy. It's a big journey. And you know what? This journey never ends. This journey never ends. Voidata will be never ready, never, because the world, the knowledge and all these ideas which are coming up right now is so huge. It's so big. Yeah. We are there. We are on focus, and I'm very proud to do this business with you guys. I want to say thank you again to all of you guys, and we will translate this in many, many languages that you know, can come back and say, okay, cool. I got it now in German or Italian, whatever. Okay. So thank you again. Dominic, let me know if we can open up now so that everybody can go to the back office and get the access to the AI from Voidata.
Yes, the agents are released. So when you go to your back office on the right side, on the left side in your back office, you will see agents. And when you click on it, you will be able to see your access code and you can start with register.
All right, cool. Guys, thank you so much all. Thank you so much to my technique guys. They are also here on the call right now, and all the other people which are in the business, in the team, in the corporate team. Thank you so much for your trust and for your help and for everything. But once again, now we have to work. Now we have to start to work. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We see you, I see you, and let's go forward. Let's make action. All right? Have a good one. Don't sleep. And if you sleep, sleep faster.